For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below.
Next one in our list is Bissell AirRam 1984 cordless vacuum. A vacuum cleaner can be a big investment, so choosing a versatile machine that can work on different surfaces is key. Enter the Bissell AirRam 1984. This workhorse from Bissell effectively handles all the usual vacuuming tasks on multiple flooring surfaces, including carpets, area rugs, and hard floors. It features an innovative power foot design and multi-surface brush roll that provides superior carpet cleaning and scratch-free hard floor cleaning. Another major perk of this cord-free vacuum is its maneuverability. Need to reach under and around furniture? No problem. The AirRam's swivel steering and lay flat handle make it easy. And you can also unleash your inner clean freak with its bright, wide-range LED lights, which illuminate the hard floor so you can see the dirt and get all the dirt. Dust bunnies hiding under the bed are no match for this cleaning beast.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.